welcome back. We're going to do another quick unboxing video. It's IU's DVD tour concert, love poem tour, love poem concert, love poem in Seoul. So this is the outbox, sealed, still sealed, and the back part. This is quite heavy and this has a lot of inclusion, so let's open it right away. Okay, please focus, sorry. Okay. I was trying, is it? How do I open this? Do you open it here or do you slide it? How? It's so hard. How do I open this? What is this? Do you even remove that? No? Why is it so hard? Or do you open it here? I'm trying my best to slide it, but it has magnets, that's why. It has magnets. Okay. Now, how? Okay. Now. Oh, so many inclusions. Oh, more. Oh, no more. Okay. I saw a photo card. It's a hologram. Oh, I'm so excited. Woo! Okay, this one first. Oh, there you go. Hello. Okay, back side. Okay, and then the next, you have two, right? Hello. Hi there. Key. Finally, an addition to my collection. Okay. The next, what is this? It's the poster, mini poster, right? It's a mini poster, right? Mini poster. Yep. Oh, looks so good. With that beret and purple or blue here. Looks so good. You look so good. Okay, we'll add that to my binder also, or I'll just, put it back here on the outbox. Okay, then this is the accordion. Okay, let's see. Oh, I love the dress. I only watched clips of her concert, but I haven't watched the whole concert yet because it just arrived. As you can see there, it just arrived. The CD has just arrived. Okay, backside. Okay, you can remove it, so we can include it in the binder. So I will definitely include this in my binder. Like I will. Okay, that is it for the accordion. And then the CD, I'll show you the CD first. It's not that obvious that I'm quite excited about this DVD. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, that's two parts, and then the photo book. Okay, this will be a quick flip, so This photo reminds me of the Manila concert where everyone else is just singing with her, not even not even listening to her. Everyone else is just singing with her, and then she gave a small laugh. She let out a small laugh because it was also quite funny, because since she's not that used to having a concert while everyone else is singing. That's how Filipino concerts work. Everyone else is just singing. Okay, quick flip. Oh, I have the same photo, but of course not in Seoul, but in Manila. But I have the same angle, the same shot. The same angle, not shot. The same angle. I was seated at third row of VIP, and on the right side facing the stage, so it has the same feeling. I remember it. Oh, I did not expect. Okay. I forgot the inclusions on this album, on this DVD album, and I thought that was it for the polls. Like, it has holo photo cards, but no, it has more. Okay, how do I? Okay, one by one. It's not focused. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Back side, and then the other one. I hope it has the same size as other photo cards. Yeah. Did not expect that one that it has photo cards in it. Not just solos. Okay, back to the flipping. That 360 stage was insane. She was insane for doing a 360 degree stage. Because there will be no backstage, and they did like a catwalk here. So it will lead to her backstage, but yeah, that was insane. You had to move around here, please everyone, to show you the performance. Everyone really loved this encore part where Ayu will just be dressing like a normal person would do on her everyday life, with pajamas and long sleeves or huge t-shirts. Everyone just loved that part. And then the credits, and that was it for her album. Can't wait to watch the DVD. I will definitely watch it today after the recording. So, thank you so much for joining me. These are my posts. Wait, I'll show you the posts. Wait. Okay, so those are my posts. And then the accordion. that I will definitely remove from pack, you know. Tear it. There you go. That's the word. Tear it, and then this is the poster that I got. And then yeah, that was it for the DVD. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye bye.